Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a website with a background video using only HTML and CSS. As you can see on my computer screen, I have this one logo that says Maldives, and we have this text here, and we also have this H1 text, and I have this one button that says watch video, and we have this background image. So to play this the background video, we need to use this two icon, the play part icon and the pause icon. So if I say play, it will play the background video of this website. Now we can also pause the video and play again. We will use this button to create and just a simple, we'll use a simple JavaScript to create this button. So before starting this video, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Hello guys, welcome back again. So here I'm using my VS Code as a text editor. So inside this VS Code, I've created one folder called website, and inside this folder I have one more folder called images, and I have my images and my videos that I'll be using to create this web page. Also, we have two other files, one for HTML and one for my CSS. As you can see, I've written the basic CSS, and also in my HTML, you can see I have this one title, website with background video, and also I've already connected the HTML file with the CSS file with this line of code. Now come to the body. We'll create one div with a class name hero. Inside this div, so before doing that, we just need to copy to style that hero, that class. So let's come here and we will say hero equal to height. I'll give a height of 100 view height. Also width of 100%, and I will add background image URL images / background image. Next we need to add is background position to be absolute, not center, sorry. Next, background size, cover, and lastly we need to say its position relative. Now save this, come back to your HTML file. Now we need to add here is we need to add a logo. So I'll create one div, the class logo, and inside this div I want to include img source images logo.png. Copy this class, copy that class, and we need to style our logo. And here I'll add width to 50 pixel. Also next is height of 100 pixel and position to be absolute. Also I'll say background to be white. Next we need to say is display flex, and justify content center, and lastly align items center. Now we also need to style our img logo img. So I'll say logo img open curly braces, and here I will only add width of 150 pixel. Now save this and also save this and reload the web page. Now you can see we have our logo with the background image. So this logo we need to add Z index. So just come here and we'll add Z index of 2. Now save and reload the web page. Now you can see we have our logo and our background image. Next, what we need to do is create another div. The class name Sidebar. Inside this div, I also want to create another div with the class text box, and here we'll add h1 Maldives, and I will also add h4. Now after this h4, we need to create one more div with a class name line. Okay, so go to your CSS and we need to style our sidebar. So I'll say dot sidebar, and here we'll include width 250 pixel, also height 100 view height, top 0 and left 0. Also we need to add background. So just remove this, we don't need. So we'll just say 25. And lastly, we need to say is position to be absolute. Now save this. Also save this. Reload your web page. Now you can see we have this sidebar. So next we need to style is our text. So I'll just say, we'll say dot text box. Here I will say transform rotate -90 degrees. Next we need to add this position absolute, also top 45%, and I'll just say text align center. Next what we need to do is style our h1. For our h1 I'll add font size 28 pixel and font weight 100. Now next for our h4 we'll just say margin 7 pixel, 0 and 10 pixel. Next is for our line, I'll add width height. Also we need to add margin auto, and lastly we need to add a background color black. Now save this and reload the web page. Now we have our text here. So next what we need to do is add a content. So I'll add my content. So let's create one div with a class name content. Inside this div I want to include h1 Maldives, and also we need to create another div with a class name button, and this div I want to include id play button. Now here I will we don't need actually yes, inside this div we want to add img source, so I'll just use img source and just say images slash play button, and also we need to add an id icon, and I'll add a text here that says watch video. Now save this, and we need to style this one, so let's just say content. For content I will add color, position, absolute, and also right 200 pixel, top 45%, no, let's just make it 50%. Next, what we need to do is transform translate y negative 50%. Next, we need to style our h1, so let's just say content h1, and for h1 I'll just add font size 100 pixel. Next is our button, so for button I will say display to be flex, align items, justify content, width, padding, also background color, and border radius 3 pixel, and lastly we need to say cursor to be pointer. Next is for our image, width of 30 pixel, margin right 15 pixel. Now we need to style is our background video, so just come after the first div. Here we'll add video, and I will say here we'll say we need to say autoplay loop muted play plays inline, and I will also add an id background video. Inside this video will include source, and we'll just say images slash video .mp4 and the type is going to be video mp4. Now save this, go back to your CSS, and I'll just say hash background video, and I'll add position absolute. Next, right 0, bottom 0. Lastly, we'll say display none. Now save this, load the web page. Now you can see we have our text, our H1 text, and we have our button. So next, what we need to do is add a query, media mean aspect ratio, so we need to add our ID, which is background video, and I will give it a width of 100%. Also, I'll say height auto. Next, we need to copy this and paste it again for our max aspect ratio. So just change this to max. We need to change this to auto, and this one to be 100. Now save this, reload your web page. Still nothing, so we need to add our JavaScript. So come here under the last the closing div tag, and here I'll just say script, and I'll say variable background video equal to document dot get element by ID, and our ID was background video. Now copy this, for here we'll change this to this ID, which is play btn, and also change this to play btn. Also we need to change this ID to icon, So next what we need to do is we need to use a JavaScript event, and I'll just say play btn dot on click equal to function, and here we need to say for our ID background video dot style dot display block. Next we need to add an if statement, so we'll say if background video dot post open curly braces and we'll say background video dot play. Next we'll say icon dot source. We'll just say images slash source dot png. And next we need to use the else statement. So we'll just say else, if else. So this one is else, okay? Do not confuse with else if, just else. So open your curly braces and here I'll just say background video dot pause, and I will include icon. I'll just say icon dot source, which is images slash play dot png. Now save this and load a web page. Now you can see we can play our video and also pause the video, and we can also play the video again. Now you can see we have completed creating our website, and now it's a complete website with a background video. So I will leave all the link. I will leave the source code in the link description. You can also download it and use it on your website. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with your friends to subscribe to my channel. So till next time, bye.